PrepWise. PrepWise is a disaster preparedness web application designed to help users stay informed, prepared, and safe during emergency situations.
The app is likely aimed at equipping users with resources, real-time alerts, and practical tools to navigate natural disasters and other emergencies effectively. Its user-friendly interface, multilingual support, and robust security ensure accessibility and reliability of all users.
PrepWise stands as a valuable tool for personal safety, providing critical guidance and resources that help users stay prepared and respond effectively when it matters most. And our project aligned with SDGs, which are SDG 4 Quality Education,
SDG 9 Industry Innovation and Infrastructure,
SDG 10 Reduce Inequalities,
and also SDG 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities.
and also SDG 17 Partnership for the Goals. This is PrepWise that tells you preparedness is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Hi guys! Today we're going to have our daily Scrum meeting about our project PrepWise, a disaster preparedness web application. So today we're going to answer the three main questions, which are: first, what did you do yesterday? Second, what will you do today? And third, what are the blockers or the challenges you encounter within your way? So first, let's start with you, Jasper.
So I what I did yesterday is I started doing the mock-ups, and today I want to develop the designing of the user interface. And I encounter a lot of blockers, especially in the CSS elements of our interface. So that's why I'm gonna um, improve it on the next day so that it won't be a lot of blockers.
Okay. So thank you, Jasper. Next, Cyril.
Yesterday, I do planning to create the homepage of our website, and today I start to develop the homepage. And the blockers is, I think, internet, because the internet is very slow,
Unstable.
unstable. I
Okay.
think that's all.
So, within my part, yesterday, I do the background for the Project Libre, and of course, I started also the services which offer within our website, and and today I created the which is the services, the HTML and its CSS. And for the blockers, just like Jasper, it's been difficult doing the CSS, which you need um, to create the the CSS based on the HTML provided from the whole homepage. So, and also the internet connection. So, is there any comments, clarifications?
I don't think I have any.
Okay, so for me, just to add on, within our team, the communication is important and the collaboration also. So it must be easy and efficient for the team to do our assigned tasks within the project. So let's do this.
Yeah.
Good day, everyone. So today is October 22, 2024, and it's the day 2 of our daily Scrum meeting for our project PrepWise, a disaster preparedness web application. So today we're going to share our updates regarding to our tasks within our project. So first, let's start with you, Jasper.
Okay. Yesterday, I talk about I talk about the designing of the user interface. So today, I'm gonna do the designing on our input system. So with the blockers, we tend to have a lot of issues, especially in the stability of the internet, and also for a system to be work on it and different kind of what's it called, like
Mobiles,
yes,
uh,
yes,
devices.
yes, I'm gonna start to develop it earlier so that later it won't be a lot of a problem. I think that's
So how about you, Cyril?
Yesterday, I do developing the homepage of our website, and today I improve the inputs of our homepage. For example, search bar and
Great.
the blockers. I think internet,
Okay.
because the internet in our center is very low and not stable. I
Okay.
think that's all.
Okay, so for my part, so yesterday I do the services HTML and CSS, and to I today I input the emergency plans which the website offers the services, the emergency plans, real-time alerts only for their HTML and CSS, and for the blockers I think the like how I compile each HTML into a one HTML. So I think that would be all for my blockers. So any suggestions, questions? Um, to wrap up everything, I just want to add on up. I just want to make the like since Cyril made the homepage, so the features is assigned to me. So I just want to ano lang, like I just want to clarify if it's okay for you guys if we put header and footer for the website.
Yes. Um, yes, it's like it works. It is that it is it will be nice to have a header and footer on the website so that it will be put constantly in it will not be a temporary for it and to feature it in our system so it will be okay.
Okay. So that would be all. Thank you.
So,
So, hi team! Today is October 23, 2024, and it's the day 3 of our daily Scrum meeting.
yes.
So for today, we're going to share updates within what about our tasks in the project.
So
So, let's start with you, Jasper.
yes, so as always, yesterday I done with the designing of the input system. So today I'm gonna start to develop our I'm gonna start implementing the user registration. So for the blockers, I didn't encounter any blockers. So I think it will be a piece of cake. It will be a piece of cake journey in this kind of project. And I think this kind of part for me. So I think that's all for me.
So, how about you, Cyril?
Yesterday, I continued to design our website, and I do today is I complete the elements of our homepage, and I plan to start the next page of our website, and the blockers I think internet also.
Okay. So, for my part, I still continue compiling each HTML for the services offered for our website, and also adding some features and CSS of each feature. So, for the blockers, I think I have a little bit hard adding the backend for each HTML since we have a lot of services offered for our website, and it's been it takes time, it takes process on how to like to compile each services we offered in providing the it in each backend.
Yeah.
So I think that would be all.
So for the comments, I think communication is also the special key for us to
Yes.
achieve this. If each one of us are what do you call this
Communicate.
no, struggling to continue us. I think we must then do it together. We must teamwork and collab together so that it will be a good and successful project.
Okay, so I think that would be all. Today is October 24,
24.
2024, and it's the day 4 of our daily Scrum meeting. So, today we're going to share our updates regarding with the tasks in our project. So, as usual, Jasper, go first.
Yes. Yesterday, I did. I think I'm the one responsible for implementing user registration. That was I talked about yesterday. So for today, I'm still gonna do the user registration for. Now that's why I'm doing do this long because this is important for the user to connect to connect them into our system, and you know we'll do this efficiently. And also for the blockers, I did encounter a lot, especially for how to connect them accurately into our system. So that's why I'm gonna figure out this in maybe tomorrow, in about past anywhere, or any day, so that it will be
More efficient.
yes, more efficient and easy for the user to connect to
Okay.
us.
How about you, Kesarel?
Yesterday, I start to develop the second page of our web page, and today I start to designing the web page
Okay.
and the blockers. I think no blockers I encounter.
Wow.
So that's great. So
Yes.
for today, so my update is yesterday I do the compiling of each HTMLs of the services offered in the website, and today I'm going to add on the some informations regarding each features in our website. And for the blockers, how to, I think it's hard for me, like it's difficult to develop the back end of each features for our website because it needs it takes time and
Yes.
process to add each HTML, CSS, and the back end for each features. And the internet also is unstable. And I think that would be all.
Yes.
Today is
Okay.
October 25, 2024, and it's the
Yes.
day 5 of our daily Scrum meeting. And for today, we're going to tackle our updates regarding with the tasks of our project. So, as usual, Jasper, you
Yes.
go first.
So for the updates, yesterday, I'm yesterday I what I did yesterday. Yesterday I did develop, and also um, I developed the user registration, but also for the blockers of what I did yesterday is the one of, and I already fixed it today. And for today, I'm done with the user registration. So I think I did already figure out the blockers, so that's why I cannot update you for the blockers because there's no blockers. Thank
Okay.
you.
So, did you manage your time efficiently doing the project?
Yes, and I did do it. Um, what did you call this word? I think I did do this hardworkingly, so that and it will be a lot easier for the
Okay.
user
Thank you,
in the future
Jasper. Good to
purpose.
hear. So,
Yes.
let's go, Cyril.
Yesterday, I'm done designing the website, and today I improved the next page of our website. The blockers, I don't encounter any blockers.
Wow.
I do will.
Nice. Nice. Good to hear. So,
Yes.
for my part, yesterday, I compile each of the HTML for the some features of our website, and for the today I'm going to have each HTML, their CSS, and their a little back end. And for the blockers, still it's hard to compile each in just one HTML. So I need you guys to to help me in compiling each HTML. And for the I also add on for the header. I already communicate Cyril for this. So for the header, I it's been quite easy for Cyril to do it and
Yes.
communicate it to me if it's okay, like the design and for the logo. And I also add on the today I do the finalization of our graph chart for the Project Libre. And for the Trilio also, I set the schedules in every meetings we have. And for the blockers, I think only the internet instability. So
Yes.
since the internet is unstable, like it's hard doing the
Doing the task.
The task.
yes,
Yes.
doing the task. And I think that's all.